This is our structured weight, razor, and shear with multiple targets haircut from our ACED O2 education. Place a standard horseshoe parting to separate the top of the head from the bottom. This parting will rest in the center of the recession at the front hairline and just below the crown in the back. Establish the basic head shape. Use the shears to create a square layer. Use basic vertical sections and flat cut with the shear. The length guide will be approximately 2 inches at the top of each section. Remain square on the sides. Create a T-shaped parting. For the horizontal disconnected transition, start at the center back of the crown. Elevate straight out from each horizontal section. Target down with the razor. Target down with a sawtooth angle and shallow depth. Target up on the back corners and the sides. Continue with a sawtooth angle and shallow depth. The disconnection will begin at the ears on the sides. Secure the hair in your hand, elevate straight out, and pivot your body to achieve the desired amount of disconnection. Repeat on the opposite side. Revisit each side with one large section. Slide cut with the razor at a simple angle, moderate depth, targeting the hair back. Secure the hair with side-to-side sections, starting at the apex of the head. Cut long with the razor, using a sawtooth angle, target back at a shallow depth. Use a traveling guide to the front hairline. Revisit the top. Slide cut with the shear in isolated sections. At a moderate depth, utilize both mobile and single slide cutting techniques. Target up and to the right. Detail the perimeter with point cutting over comb. Secure the hair in the comb and point cut at a simple angle. Alternate targets to create separation and control at the hairline. Apply a moderate dosage of American Crew fiber grooming foam from the exterior to the interior of the shape. Blow dry the foam into the hair using your fingers to encourage height and movement in the shape. Finish with American Crew Whip for a light hold and natural shine.